Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change phone number in Kucoin. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your Kucoin account, which of course I have done right here. Now, if you do not have an account on Kucoin, all you need to do is to launch your browser. From your browser, go ahead and locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. In your search bar, type kucoin.com. It's going to take you to the official website. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this official homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Kucoin. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's status screen. It's simple. How to change phone number in Kucoin. Okay, so from here, you're going for this homepage, you're going to see a lot of headings representing diverse features, which are they're really amazing. All right, so head over right to your account where you're going to see, so here you see assets, here you see orders, and here you see your own account, and here you see like notifications. So right here in your accounts, all right, you're going to see account security. Go ahead and click on account security, and it's going to open the account security page. So from there, you can now, of course, see where you can change your phone number, and that's just going to be it. So here in this window, you can see email, phone, Google verification. Okay, and right here on the phone, you see your phone number, you see change, and you see unbind. So go ahead and click on the button change. Now here you have a prompt that says, for your security, withdrawals, P2P transactions, and red packets will be temporarily unavailable for 24 hours after changing or unbinding a phone number. Is that okay with you? If that's okay, you can now click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to open up a page where you're going to have to enter some kind of security code. And then the next step is to change your number, and you'll be good to go. Now here you go. I don't want to change my phone number because I have a lot of things to teach you today. But then if you want to, once you get here, you're going to have to click on send code. So once you click on send code, right here, once you click on send code, they're going to send a code to your existing phone number. That's the old phone number, the phone number that you want to change. So check your phone and get the code. And once you get the code, the next step, enter the code. And once you have continued that, the next step will be to change your phone number. So let's say I want to enter the code. So I'm just going to click on send code and wait for them to give me my message, and we'll be good to go. So I'm waiting for my code. As you can see, the countdown is getting lower, and the security stuff is getting lower. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but all right, but you're gonna get the code, and once you get the code, just enter the code and click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's now going to open up another window where you're gonna enter your new number. And once you enter your new number, you're going to also ask it to verify by sending some verification code to you in your new phone number. And once you've done that, you have already created a new number, and you've bound, or let's say you've bound your new number to Kucoin. So this is pretty much the process. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.